Life as a student here is great, having a beautiful environment we are all in. We're spending most of the time together. We spend time playing sports, and we have a variety of activities every weekend and every day.
So a typical day for a boarding student would be waking up at 6:30 a.m., breakfast before 7:45, in class by 8:15.
We have 4 periods, and then we have lunches in between. In dining hall, we have a variety of options for every meal.
They have lots of options for food. Everyone will be done with lunch by like 1:30.
Then we have all our classes till 3:15, and after that we have free time for sports. We go for our practices, and after that we have dinner at 6.
Study time begins at 8. So there are many trips that all students can go on.
We can go in cinema, we can go to the Mall of Georgia, we can go zip lining, we can go to the Six Flags.
There's lots of trails here. You can hike to the Tola Gorge.
So I think this area is just perfect for all of us.
The students have lots of access to transportation. Boarding students, they can request a bus ride somewhere to the surrounding cities.
Every Sunday we go to the chapel.
And we're gonna be there to listen to a sermon, sing the hymns, and just worship. This school is very welcoming to all religions.
I think that is really nice to have people from different religions, different nationalities, and I think that's what's the richest about this school.